आता ही एरिया जी आसा CRZान पडटा. ओके. ही फिशींग विलेज आसा. ओके. आता एक एक्विजिशन कवर जावना, दुसरें खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान परमिशन घेवना. आता एक कायदो आसा की उदकाची वाट जी आसा ती ब्लॉक करपाक शकना बिकॉज ऑफ फ्लडिंग. ब्लॉक केला तो थिंगा 100 फिशरमॅन नुस्तें गरयता ह्या पॉयंट आनी हे एरेबियन सी कनेक्ट जाता. आता हे जे पळय फ्लड प्लेन पळय ब्लॉक केला, इट इज व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट मॉन्सून टायमाचेर फ्लडिंग जातलें. शेतां आसा सगळीं शेतां शेतां सगळीं बुडटलीं. आनी आतां इफ यू सी अलॉंग द ट्रॅक इन द अदर सायड ऑल्सो रेल्वेन एक लँड बी घेतला. थिंगा शेतां रियो घालून शेत पुरोवन एक स्ट्रक्चर बांदलेलो आसा थंय दिश्टी पडटा. लँड प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी. हय. सो प्रायवेट मनशाने कडेन दिला आनी तेंच्यांनी लँड फिलिंग केला. आता ते आतां म्हणपाक शकना की ते प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी रेल्वे म्हणून. सो हे पळय चल्लेलें आसा. आमी हायलायट करीत आहा फॉर लास्ट 1 year दॅट हें हिंगा काम चलता हेचें फूल इलिगल आसा. आता आमी परत डिपार्टमेंटाक मागता, सरकाराक मागता की पळय चल्लेलें आसा हें इलिगल चल्लेलें आसा तें बंद करचें, कायदे भितर बांदचें. सो आमी आतां आफ्टर GCZMA आनी WRD रिपोर्ट येतकूच आमी रावतले. तेचे उपरांत आमी नेक्स्ट फर्दर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन आमी करतले.
But initially now the WRD has said that it is looking illegal or they...
Yes. WRD report is clearly said that they blocked the floodplains. So it is very clear in their report. We have already got a reply from the WRD.
I asked him. He doesn't know to answer. I asked him, is the railway authority above the GCZMA laws?
What is the GCZMA saying, madam? They have inspected the site.
Yes.
What is the outcome actually?
They have come for the first time to look at the environment.
Okay.
Okay. So they cannot say unless they make a study.
Okay.
Okay.
That there is we are blocking the waterway or anything. It is nothing that the existing bridge barrel length, that is the length we are increasing with the same waterway. It is no way going to affect anything, the environmental or water force or anything.
Okay.
It's only extension purpose, and this all what we made will be removed within a month.
Okay, within a month this will be
Within a month
clear.
we will be removed.
Okay, sir. Okay. So the GCZMA has told you anything, or the
Pardon?
WRD has given any?
WRD
Have they told you to stop your work? Or
No,
something?
nothing is stopped. And railway rules all permit to do this type of work. We need not take.
So basically, no authority has told you to stop the
No,
work. or
nothing.
something?
Nobody has told to stop the work. Because we are not doing any violation.
Okay.
Naturally, nobody has told us to stop the work.
But these pipelines, whatever are put, will be released in a month's time.
We have permanent structure we make. So once the bridge is over, then we will remove this and it will be as it is. Only thing, the waterway which was earlier less, we have increased to 7 meter more. That's all.
Okay.
Same waterway, there is no
Nothing is
obstruction.
blocked.
Nothing is blocked. And you can observe it's all water level is same. Before our work, now during the work also the water level is same. Not the same.